Today I'm going to show you how to use embed code in Weebly with Google Forms. This is a great way to add interactive forms directly to your website, whether you're collecting customer feedback, registration information, or survey responses. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Look at the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and beneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see a list of your websites. Choose the website you want to edit, then look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly to the editor page of your chosen website, where you can make all your customizations. Before we dive into the Weebly editor, we first need to grab the embed code from Google Forms, so open a new tab and navigate to your Google Forms. Once you're there, locate the three dots next to the Publish button in the upper right menu. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Embed HTML. This will generate the embed code you need. Go ahead and copy it, as we'll be pasting this into Weebly in just a moment. With your Google Forms embed code copied, let's head back to the Weebly editor page. Make sure you're on the Build tab in the top menu. This is where you'll access all the elements you can add to your site. On the left side menu, look for the embed code element. If you don't see it right away, simply click Show All Elements to expand your options and make it visible. Once you've found the embed code element, click and drag it to the area of your website where you want the Google form to appear. After placing it, click on the element and then click Edit Custom HTML. A text box will pop up, and this is where you'll paste the embed code you copied from Google Forms earlier. Simply paste it into that text box, and your form will now be embedded directly into your Weebly site, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google form into your Weebly website, making it easy for visitors to fill out forms without leaving your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.